coming from the school and my dad is taking me from school. Do you want to join? Okay, come. This is my school.
Where is me? Show me in the car.
Look, my dad and my brother. Let's go into my playground.
Okay.
We are nearly there. Just 1 minute to go. Good.
Don't feel shy. Just be.
Here it is. We have reached. Here is my playground. I'm going to sit on my bike.
Hold camera in front of your face.
Ooh, I'm going to sit on my bike. Hello, sir.
Hold camera in front of your face.
Have to watch me doing my cycle. Let's see